Japanese green tea, known for its refreshing taste and outstanding nutritional benefits, has evolved into an emblem of culture and cuisine across the globe. The question arises, how do the fresh green tea leaves, carefully cultivated in the lush fields, undergo the intricate process that turns them into the world-famous premium matcha? In today's video, we will guide you through every detail of this meticulous production journey and reveal the hidden secrets behind this iconic and beloved tea. Tea cultivation in Japan is a refined art, perfected over centuries through a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. Thanks to fertile volcanic soils, abundant rainfall, and a diverse climate, tea plants thrive under ideal conditions. Renowned regions like Shizuoka, with its sprawling tea fields, Kagoshima, blessed with a warm climate, and Kyoto, famed for its world-renowned matcha processing techniques, each contribute unique flavors and characteristics to Japanese tea culture. Before planting, farmers prepare the soil carefully, ensuring good aeration and adding organic nutrients. Tea plants, usually the Camellia sinensis variety, are propagated from seeds or cuttings and then transferred to the garden using modern machinery. Thanks to the support of machinery, seedlings are planted at precise distances, arranged in neat rows to optimize light, air, and create favorable conditions for care and harvesting. This not only improves productivity, but also helps ensure the highest quality for each tea leaf. During the planting process, farmers always pay attention to watering, ensuring the tea plants grow in optimal conditions. Green tea needs to be watered regularly, especially during important periods, such as when the plant produces new buds or in the dry season. The amount of water is strictly controlled to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, helping plants absorb nutrients effectively. Spray or drip irrigation techniques are commonly applied, both saving water and ensuring appropriate moisture supply for tea plants. Farmers also need to conduct weed management around tea plants to maintain a good growing environment for the plants. Removing weeds helps tea plants concentrate nutrients, facilitates effective light and air circulation, thereby reducing the risk of pests and nutrient competition. With careful care and weed management, tea plants can grow healthily, producing young green leaves with a characteristic rich flavor. One of the important aspects of tea cultivation is maintaining the healthy growth and productivity of the plants through regular pruning, also known as edging. This task focuses on removing old tea branches and withered leaves at the base, allowing the plants to grow better, increase yield, and form neat, orderly, and evenly shaped rows. Pruning not only helps the plants absorb nutrients more efficiently, but also improves the circulation of light and air within the tea garden. This activity ensures the quality of fresh tea leaves and preserves the lush, appealing green beauty of the tea hills. For premium teas such as gyokuro and matcha, a special shading technique is applied for about 2 to 4 weeks before harvest. The tea bushes are covered with black nets or straw mats, which helps increase L-theanine content, reduce catechins, and limit the direct impact of sunlight, creating dark green tea leaves with a sweet and umami flavor feature. This is the secret to creating the exquisite quality of premium Japanese green tea, which requires meticulous care, correct techniques, and precise execution time. The tea harvesting process is the most important stage because the quality of the tea leaves directly affects the final product. In Japan, tea is typically harvested 3 to 4 times per year, but the first harvest, called shinsha or new tea, is considered the most precious. This batch takes place in late April or early May, when the tea leaves are young and contain the most flavor. Harvesting can be done either manually or with machinery, depending on the type of tea being produced. For premium teas such as gyokuro or ceremonial-grade matcha, farmers handpick only the youngest and most tender leaves from the tea plants. Although this method is labor-intensive, it reflects the meticulous care and dedication of the farmers, ensuring that only the finest, softest leaves are selected to preserve the delicate flavor and highest quality of the tea. With large-scale production products, modern machinery is used to increase efficiency. Equipped with sharp rotating blades and the ability to move along tea rows at carefully adjusted speed and height, these machines help trim tea bushes evenly without damaging the crop. Some machines also integrate a leaf classification system on site during the harvesting process, helping to save significant time and optimally improve production efficiency. In addition, the application of modern machinery also helps reduce manual labor, especially during peak seasons. However, the harvest time still needs to be carefully planned and selected to ensure that the tea leaves are harvested when they are of the best quality. The green tea processing process in Japan is a delicate combination of tradition and modern technology, resulting in high-quality products that are loved around the world. After picking, fresh tea leaves are quickly transported to the factory to maintain freshness and quality. Here, tea leaves are preserved with cold air and appropriate humidity to maintain moisture and prevent deterioration of tea leaves before entering the processing stages. The steaming process is a key step in preventing the oxidation of tea leaves, preserving their characteristic bright green color and eliminating the harsh, pungent smell. Steaming time will determine the taste and aroma of the tea. After that, the tea leaves are cooled and go through many times of kneading and drying. This process helps distribute moisture evenly and shape the tea leaves into their characteristic thin needle shape. The temperature in these stages is always controlled below 36 deg to ensure the color and quality of the tea leaves. Once completed, the raw tea, also known as aracha, is put into a mixer to ensure even flavor. Impurities such as branches, leaves, and foreign objects will be removed through vibrating screens and sorting machines. Next, the tea is dried at temperatures from 80 deg to 120 deg for 25 minutes to remove remaining moisture. Another important step is the tea roasting process, where temperatures ranging from 80 deg to 150 deg are applied for 5 minutes to create the characteristic flavor. Once completed, the tea leaves are sorted for thickness using a vibrating screen and color sorted through a modern camera system. Leaf stems are removed to retain the highest quality tea leaves. The final product is packaged in large bags or small bags to suit consumer needs. With a harmonious combination of traditional experience and advanced technology, the green tea processing process in Japan not only ensures high quality but also preserves the quintessence of tea culture, resulting in perfect cups of tea for people to enjoy around the world. Green tea is a symbol of Japan, not only because of its taste and health benefits, but also because of its deep cultural significance. Green tea festivals held annually are an opportunity to celebrate this special drink, where visitors can experience the tea brewing ceremony, participate in tea picking, and learn about the production process. These festivals not only promote green tea, but also maintain and promote traditional cultural values. Besides, the Japanese tea ceremony is a delicate art, reflecting a philosophy of life based on purity, respect, and connection. Through the Chinoyu ritual, the tea ceremony becomes a symbol of tranquility and unique cultural identity of the land of the rising sun. And that's the entire content of today's video. Hopefully through this journey of discovery, you have learned more about green tea. If you love this content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences about green tea. Thank you for following. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Today we are diving deep into the world of green tea in Japan. Green tea is omnipresent in Japan, from the traditional tea ceremonies in Kyoto to the bottled green tea found in vending machines and convenience stores across the country. Most of this green tea is grown, harvested, and processed right here in Japan. It plays a central role in the daily lives of the Japanese people, with a rich culture surrounding the harvest and preparation of these tea leaves. The green tea, produced in Japan, is unique in taste and value compared to leaves harvested in China and other parts of the world. In this video, I will guide you through the detailed process of making green tea in Japan. It is truly fascinating, so let's check it out. The journey begins with planting the tea tree. The soil used for growing tea should be well-draining, have good aeration and moisture retention properties, and be deep enough to allow the roots to grow and spread. Here they use a machine to expedite the work. Once the tea plant has grown, a watering system is employed to provide constant hydration. Interestingly, ducks are often kept on tea farms to eat the worms and weeds without damaging the tea plants. This method offers a double benefit. You get organic tea and ducks. Most tea farms in Japan are organic and avoid using chemical fertilizers. However, it is commonly said that high-grade and quality gyokuro and matcha require a substantial amount of fertilizer. Growing high-grade and quality organic gyokuro and matcha is challenging because organic fertilizers work slowly, taking 3 to 9 months, compared to chemical fertilizers, which act quickly and efficiently in about a month. To promote faster growth of tea plants, farmers must regularly remove grass, a task typically done by machine due to the large volume of grass. Ten years after planting, tea plants undergo trimming and pruning to rejuvenate old plants and maintain the height of the plucking surface for efficient harvesting. Trimming occurs every 2 to 3 years, while pruning is done every 5 years. Farmers discovered that covering tea leaves enhances their umami flavor and reduces bitterness, a practice that has led to the popularity of matcha green tea. Japanese tea farmers do not use pesticides, not even natural pesticides like jikagijiku. Since switching to organic cultivation, beneficial insects that feed on harmful pests have thrived, maintaining a healthy farm ecosystem. During summer, when pests are most active, farmers and workers use a simple machine with a blower and spray. The blower emits strong gusts of wind to dislodge pests from leaves, while the spray delivers high-pressure water to eliminate them. From April to October, tea shoots are harvested 2 to 4 times. The first crop is harvested from late April to mid-May, the second in late June, the third from late July to early August, and the fourth in mid-September. In Shizuoka Prefecture, the average yield is 8,000 kilograms per hectare for the first harvest, 6,000 kilograms for the second, and 4,000 kilograms for the third. The first crop is of the highest quality and fetches the highest price, while the areas harvested for the third and fourth crops are declining due to their lower market value. Tea leaves can be harvested by hand or machine. Here we see a machine with a large bag for collecting the leaves. Another type of machine used is a riding self-propelled tea harvester, first developed in Japan in 1969. Since then, over 5,400 units of various tea harvesting machines have been manufactured and supplied mainly to Japanese tea farmers. These machines, developed from years of experience, are now used in wider fields of tea plantations. After harvesting, tea leaves are transferred to factories for processing and packaging. Modern tea processing in Japan is highly mechanized, a stark contrast to the manual methods used 100 years ago. Each type of tea requires a different processing method. For example, sencha, the most consumed tea in Japan, involves 3 key steps: steaming, rolling, and drying. Steaming, the shortest but most crucial step, lasts between 30 to 120 seconds to halt oxidation within the tea leaves. Rolling, a sequence of several similar steps, takes several hours, usually around 3, to dry extra moisture from steaming, push internal moisture to the surface, and break cell walls to aid in brewing. Finally, tea leaves are shaped into beautiful straight needles and dried. Once processed, the tea is packed into large bags for export. This is the entire process of green tea production in Japan. I hope you found it as interesting as I do. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.